Hello everyone and welcome to this video. We are going to discuss highest frequency character question. Okay, so the question says that we have been given a string str and this string contains a lot of characters and the characters have multiple occurations. So what I mean by that is the string is of something like this. So some characters have multiple occurrences. So what I have to do is I have to print that character of the string which has most number of occurrences. So just take a simple example. So let us see. Um, so if I was told to print the character which has multiple number of occurrences, so what would be the answer? We can see that for A we have two occurrences. For B we have two occurrences. For C we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 occurrences. So the answer would be C. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a frequency hash map. What that hash map would store, the hash map would store as the keys. We will store the characters of the string, and as values for these key, we store the frequencies of these characters. So how that will work is that, for example, for A, B, B, C, D, C, C, B, A. Let's say, consider this example. So what would happen is I would declare a map of character mapped with integer, and in this case I will store these um characters of the string. So that first would be A. For A, initially if the character is not present in the map, I will just put as 1. So now I proceed further. Here we get B. The character is not in the map, so I will just put 1. Now again, if I encounter the same character which is already present in the map, I will just update the frequency of that character to +1. So initially it was 1, so we'll get 1 plus 1, 2. Now we encounter C for the first time, I'll just put 1. We encounter D for the first time, I will just put 1. I encounter C again, I will update this to 2. I encounter C again, I'll update this to 3. And I encountered B again, I'll update this to 3. I encountered this A again, I'll update this to 2. So let me just add this C to get an safe answer. So now what we can observe is that here in this mapping, C has the highest number of frequency, that is 4. So how do I get 4? What I will do is I am going to get the key set of this map, and I am going to iterate through whole the map, and I'm going to compare the frequencies of each key, and the key who has the maximum frequency will be our answer. So for in this case we'll get C. Now let us just quickly write a code for that. This should be pretty simple. So let us take the input first. So I have to take a string input. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to declare a map of character and integer. Character would be the character of the str, and its integer would be the frequency. Let us name this frequency map. So I will just name it fric. Okay, this would be new hash map, and this. Okay, now let me move this to our editor so it is more clearly visible here. Okay, just proceed. Now I'm going to iterate through the string str.length, and I'm going to check if that character. First of all, I'm going to store the character. I'm going to check if that character is already present in the map or not. If map dot contains key ch. If it is already present, I'm going to do something else. I'm just going to put it, and what I'm going to put the initial value frequency 1, because this is the first occurrence of that character. So I'm going to put map dot put ch comma 1, and if it was already present in the map, I'm going to extract the frequency by integer frequency is equal to, let's name it integer f is equal to map dot get. For that particular ch, we'll get frequency by map dot get ch. Now I will just update the frequency by map dot put ch f plus 1. So I have updated all the frequencies and put them into the map. Now, yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a set of characters, and I'm going to store all the key values. How do I do that? I'll use map dot key set. Now I'm going to iterate through the set, and I'm going to find the maximum frequency. So I'll have two things. First is I have to get int max, and let us just say that it is map dot get str dot caret 0. So this is the frequency of the first character. Whatever it will be doesn't concern us. We'll get the correct answer later on. So char ch, let us declare this is the resultant character which has the maximum frequency. We'll update it continuously. So char raise is equal to str dot, let us initialize by putting the first character. Now I'll check if map dot get ch, if the value of current character is greater than the max, I'll update the max as map dot get ch, and I'll update the resultant character as ch. So after all the loop, I will get my answer. This would give us the character with maximum frequency. So let us just print res. Let's copy this. Let's paste it here and run it. Oh, okay. Done here something wrong. 13. Okay, here I have to write str.length. That contains e. Okay, so we should just rename this as map. Okay, see, we get the right answer. Now let's just submit it and confirm. So we have correctly solved the code. I hope the question was pretty simple. So I hope my explanation was clear, and if you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.